No video removed.
No.
Hey, you really want to take this out? Is it a dog food?
Put a tree on it.
Something.
It tastes weird.
What are you doing?
I want everyone to hear about how you get your dog to lick you out.
My brother sent me Bentley.
How you?
Bentley.
How you?
Bentley!
Sure you want to eat that?
He said he bet me £20 and I gave him the
And did you?
No.
It's definitely not normal beef.
Oh, Shemaine's having a hissy fit again.
Oh, these are nasty, bro.
Let's have a look.
They're perfect to the camera.
Of course you can. Lame.
You see all the little bits of like beans in the mouth as well. Come on, Laura, let's about the alphabet for you.
Here's on then.
You're not burping, you're just saying it in a weird voice.
That's perfect.
No, I didn't get you.
It's no longer the apple of my eye or the sun's
Of her vagina.
I've decided I'm not going to be friends with that next year.
You need a new sunshine.
I've got it. We decided to do TFLs. No, watch out.
She's gonna go on YouTube, by the way.
Yes. That was so successful the first time. It was your one that the girl went slave.
Hey, you silly face!
I need to hit Molly Jones.
Yeah, you need to slap her in this one, otherwise... Otherwise she swore for the first time in her life.
All the time saying it.
No, don't worry, it's not on you.